Welcome to Seed Financial Academy, Nepal's first platinum-approved ACCA college where we don't just educate, we innovate.
Imagine a program that not only enhances your technical acumen, but also refines your soft skills, making you a well-rounded professional ready for any challenge. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a groundbreaking initiative that will set you apart in the competitive world of accounting and finance, Seed Super Sundays.
Seed Super Sundays are designed to complement your ACCA qualification by providing a holistic educational experience. Over 10 consecutive Sundays, you'll dive into a series of practical and interactive sessions that will sharpen your professional skills.
Our mission is to nurture not just accountants, but future leaders. With Seed Super Sundays, we'll provide you with the tools and experiences you need to excel in the professional world.
From mastering basic Excel and Word to building your confidence in public speaking, from crafting impeccable presentations to writing professional emails, Seed Super Sundays covers it all.
These sessions are not just about learning, they are about doing. Each Sunday, you'll engage in hands-on practice, real-world simulations, and group activities that will prepare you for the challenges and opportunities ahead.
We're also introducing innovative modules on entrepreneurship, investment, software skills, and even health and wellness to ensure you are prepared for every aspect of your career and personal growth.
At Seed Financial Academy, we believe in going beyond the ordinary. Seed Super Sundays are not just a program, they are a commitment to your future success.
Join us at Seed Financial Academy and experience the difference with Seed Super Sundays. Join a community that values excellence. Seed Super Sundays are your opportunity to stand out, grow, and succeed. Your future begins here. Let's make it extraordinary.